So, what do you do with 40 million tons of agricultural waste per year? That's what we have. It's one of the largest waste streams in the United States. I figured out something we can do with it. We can make activated graphene oxide. First, I started with a storyboard to list the processes in the order they happen. Just like you do a script for whether it's a movie or a factory, there's a series of processes that have to happen. And then, after that, I looked more at the three-dimensional and the interfacial part of it and made a kind of a schematic for a pilot fab plant. So, we're not going to be able to use all 40 million tons anytime soon, but we can make a material from this waste product that can be sold on the market. It's currently being used in non-corrosive paints for like aircraft and boats, and it's being used in batteries, supercapacitors, and several other things, medical. And we're going to make mega capacitors.